Guys, I'm back for a video tasting of the Mangrove Jack's Raspberry Berliner Weisse that I brewed up about 3 weeks ago. Beautiful day, so I thought I would bring the mini keg outside and we'd pour it up on camera here. So before I pour it up, I'm just going to let some of the pressure out. It's sitting at about 12 psi at the moment, so we'll just release it down to sort of serving pressure. 6-7 pounds there. So let's pour this up. Okay, there. The head. I'll just turn that pressure back up. There we go. Just move that over to one side. Cool. So there it is there. Hopefully you can pick up that colour. It's a beautiful sort of pinky sort of colour. Even the head's got a touch of slight pink to it from the raspberries. Looking very nice indeed. It's clearish, but being a Berliner Weisse is going to have some malt in there that's keeping it, probably wheat that's keeping it hazy, and also the raspberries I guess probably haven't helped. But yeah, beautiful sort of creamy sort of head on the top. So yeah, we'll get a nose on it. I have actually had a few of these already, but first chance to do a video. Straight away those raspberries are coming through and beautifully, leaps and bounds. I think the kit said it had about 4% of the liquid extract or whatever was made up of raspberry puree, and 4% doesn't sound like much, but believe me, there's plenty of raspberry coming off the top there, and you can definitely smell a little bit of the sourness too. It smells absolutely fantastic. So we're going to go in for a tasting here. Now I did short brew this from their recommended 23 litres down to 15 litres, and by doing that I didn't have to add in any extra liquid malt extract or anything. So the ABVs come out at 3.9%. Good. First thing I've got to say is really happy with how that's turned out. Probably prefer it over the straight Mangrove Jack's Berliner Ale that they did. Just with the raspberries, it's just got a lot more flavour and a few more layers of flavour that's going on in the beer. You could do, with the straight Berliner Ale I did add some syrups, but effectively there's no need to do this with the raspberry Berliner. Beautifully tart. The beer itself would already be quite sour, but yeah, the raspberries had another layer of tartness on top. So it is pretty sour. If you like your sour beers, I think you will really enjoy this. Once again, you're getting lots of raspberry coming through. It's a beautiful, refreshing drink to have, particularly on a hot day. It's got quite a nice dry finish to it as well. So with that sourness, the dry finish, the raspberries. In fact, it's only 3.9%, or if you do it to 23 litres, I think it comes out at 3.6. It's an incredibly refreshing drink to have. overall, I'm very impressed. Very hard pressed to tell it is actually a kit or based on a liquid malt extract. I'm getting no sort of perceivable sort of, what you call kit twang coming through, and I don't know whether that's because the raspberries and the sourness have just sort of masked the fact that you can tell it's just been made from liquid malt extract. But besides that, it doesn't really matter. It's a very nice beer. If I bought a glass of that in a bar, I'd be very happy indeed. The sourness is pretty much right up there. Probably short brewing it as well, probably increase that a bit, so just be aware of that. If you're not overly into sour beers, you may find it a bit over the top, but if you like a nice sour beer, and who doesn't like raspberries as well, then I think you'll find this a real winner. So thanks for watching, guys. I've got plenty of it. I've got my little mini keg, and then I've got about another 10 litres in bottles in the fridge to enjoy. So definitely going to have no trouble going through these over the next few weeks. So thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, sing out. I'll put a link to the brew day video and also to the pouch on the Mangrove Jack's website in case you're interested in looking into it further. If you've got any questions, just sing out. Apart from that, enjoy the rest of your week, and here's to good beers and to the weekend. Cheers, guys. Over and out.